Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can join a friend's game without an invite. Now the easiest way to do that is to go to your friends list right here and select this. Now you can go on down to where it says now playing on the left side of the screen, and if anyone has an open party for you to join, you can see their name listed under here, and this is YourSix Studios. I can see they're playing Minecraft and it's been going on for about 47 seconds. I can join their game or request to watch. And another way that I can do this is to go to my friends list and then go to that person's name. So I can see they're playing Minecraft. If I go to their profile page now, there will be an option to join their activity. So it says now playing Minecraft. And I can join their game based off of this. It'll bring me to the same join session screen. Now if you're in a party with the person, you can also go to their name and join them through the party chat. Otherwise, what you could do is join them in the game. So many games do have the option for an online friends list. So if I go to the game menu and then tab on over to the social menu or friends list, if the person is online and playing, you should be able to find them under this list and then join their game under here. So here's my friends list in Minecraft. If someone was playing, I would be able to join their session from here. But in Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite, etc., you can do the same thing. Go to the social menu, find them, and join their game. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.